Oh my god. There you go. They're covering their ears. Piece of shit. So today we're at Brendon's chop shop, getting rid of Kemal's little bumblebee exhaust. Got these hunks hard at work. Got a whole lot of rice shit going on. Brendon's underneath the car with the spare tire. Oh, how do you think it's gonna sound?
I think it's gonna sound like what fart?
Yeah, just try not to get under to where if it did fall, it wouldn't hurt you.
This Yonaka's gonna go straight through my fucking cranium. Thank you. The whole exhaust is gonna snap in half. Oh, I got rust in my eye. Fuck. Not again.
What are you saying to you last?
You used to spit on my face. Oh my god. What the fuck? You almost spit on my mouth. It's on my lip.
Piece of shit.
Oh. Really just shake it.
Where did you want to cut?
Piece of shit. Just cut it like, just in here.
I can do that right now.
Do you have a grinder?
I have all my tools.
Oh, let's do it.
Ready?
Yeah. My fucking god. I thought it was loud before.
This sounds good, bro.
Wait till you rev it.
At idle? That sounds
Yeah,
really fucking good.
it does. It's so loud. Holy fuck. Oh my fucking god. See, it's like the loudest wet fart.
Bro, that's so crazy.
Back here on South County Choppers, about to slice this muffler up in his fucking front yard. Most Hoosier shit.
I'm honestly gonna wear this because I have a grind mode now.
We should weld it up here too, in your front yard. I'm gonna get a street view really quick of what this looks like to everybody driving by. Just taking a casual walk through the neighborhood, you know. Nothing unusual here. Let me see this.
It's because it's so
Holy fuck! It's a wide ass cut.
Dude, there's no way you can weld that.
I mean, there is. You just gotta get a piece of fucking sheet metal to cover this.
So what are we doing again?
Let's see what's in this alien.
Dissect it.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, look at all that fiberglass and shit. What is in there? I honestly have no idea what's inside a muffler. Oh my god. Look at the baffle right there. It's straight blown out. Here, tap on this. Is this whole entire baffle rattling? Oh, it's completely disconnected there.
Let's take it out.
Wow. Completely
Dude.
disconnected.
Here, do you have a bag we can rip all this shit out of there with?
Does it just pull straight out?
Yeah, watch.
Holy shit, it's just like all one piece.
Dude, there's pieces of metal in there rattling.
You can literally see the imprint from the logo. It's melting through the bag. Yeah, just do it like that and just dump it in. Is that all of it? We're gonna get the cops called. There's some fat EPA regulation.
Look at all this smoke. This bag is just smoke. This bag is just on, it's
Oh my
on fire.
God.
Go get another one. Go get another bag.
I guarantee in a couple years we're all gonna have cancer.
I wouldn't doubt it.
You gutted that cat too. That's straight plutonium in your lungs. Fireman!
Wait, the jewel.
Oh, no. Fireman Brandon.
Imagine drinking out of that. Leave it out as a bird feeder.
That'd be kind of dope.
A bird bath.
Oh my. Kemal, I think you have an exhaust leak. Just watering my exhaust. Look at him. Yeah, that's what you're doing. Just like, oh, just watering my exhaust. Hi, neighbor. See if we cured the rattle. Oh,
Dude.
for some reason it's not rattling anymore. Literally smells like burning ass hair.
That's better.
Dude, they actually did it.
Yeah, that actually helps. There you go. It's time to put it back on.
JB Weld.
Yeah, right. Fuck no.
That'd be a dope video. That would get views.
That would.
Oh my god.
So loud, bro. Fully 2K.
Yeah, it's not even 2K, bro.
You have to rip it at least once.
Oh, I'm gonna rip it. Just want to get out of his neighborhood.
Oh my god.
Why are you not filming it?
Oh, I am. Holy
Not
shit.
even at 3K.
Are you serious?
Wrap it out. Wrap it out. Wrap it out.
Oh yeah. Bro. When we go, we should, are you going to Lowe's or Home Depot?
We go to
Lowe's.
Go to Lowe's.
Yeah,
The
go
tunnel.
to. Yeah, the tunnel. Going to
Oh my
Lowe's.
God.
Yes.
It's not even at 3K, dude.
Damn, there's all traffic.
Ready? Slow down. Okay. Go.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
My brains are fucking rattled.
Fly through that.
Oh my god. When we leave. When we leave.
Will you fly through
Yes.
that?
Oh, there's a cop up here.
You're gonna troll. There's a cop.
There's a cop car. I don't know if he's in it.
We're definitely not gonna do
Yeah, hit
that.
these guys. Rev it at them.
Break everybody's neck.
Everyone's like, what the fuck? Oh my fucking god.
Can't make a left out of here. When you can, but you're not supposed to.
We can.
I do.
They're covering their ears.
Scare him. Stay in this lane.
It sounds like we're going so fast.
Oh my god, it smokes all over.
Alright, you gotta rip this tunnel, bro. Like first gear.
I'll rip it.
Like literally just like stop and do a first gear.
Do a dig. I dare you to do a dig.
Holy shit. He's honking and shit. He's so pissed off. He got smoked out.
Just stop. Oh my god.
Holy fuck. Put it in a low gear and play Jingle Bells. Or a high gear, I mean. Where it's like bogging.
We're done.